Imagine. Upload your animation from anywhere. Add an avatar skeleton into the scene. Define your bone mapping with the interactive bone mapper. Remap bones within seconds with the automatic accept option. You can match about any rig to Avastar, as long as it has a similar topology. The Map Mirror tool makes you work even faster. Transfer the animation with one more click. This is our new Avastar retarget tool. Avastar, software made by users for users.